Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another massive mystery box for you guys. So this one's a little bit risky for me because I gave up a pair of Shattered Backboard 1.0s and a pair of Onyx slides for this box. So I really hope whatever's in this box is good. I got this box from Tosh Crepes, so their link will be below and their Instagram handle is right here. I'm going to open this mystery box and I really hope whatever's inside is worth the same as a Shattered Backboard 1.0 and an Onyx slide, because otherwise I've probably made a pretty big mistake. I've not looked inside, got no idea what's in here. Picked them up the other day. I've just had the box sitting here. Now I'm going to open it up and I'm praying something good's inside. I really hope so. So like I said, big shout out to Tosh Crepes. The link is below and hopefully we get something good. I'm praying. Gonna open up the sellotape. Really probably should have had a knife for this. Open it up. Right, what do we have inside? So I can see a few Jordan 1 boxes, a pair of New Balance, and then what looks like a few Dunks. So we have, it looks like 7 boxes in total inside. This is the first one. I'm praying it's something good. So this is a pair of Jordan 1 lows. These are clean. I actually do really like this. I don't have many Jordan 1 lows in my collection. I think the last one I had was actually the Shattered Backboards themselves. So this is pretty nice. I really do like this colorway. It's very clean. So he's thrown in some nice thank you cards as well. And then obviously all his details, but they're linked below in the description. Probably will wear these. I really hope they're my size. So it's a half size too big, but I can make them work. Just wear some thick socks with them. So the first shoe, pretty happy with that. Not really sure where to display them, so I kind of will put them up here just so you can see them. On the corner of the screen, hopefully they're showing up. So we're on to the next one. Should we go for a Jordan 1, a Dunk, or what looks like a New Balance? Well, I know it's a New Balance, I can see it on the box. Let's go for what looks like a Jordan 1 box. This is, yes, I wanted these. So I actually missed out on release on these. So this is the Jordan 1 Stage Haze. This is a clean colorway, actually very similar to the first pair in the box. So here's the high, here's the low. They look incredibly similar, but I'm really a massive fan of these. This is like my colors to a T. I would wear these every day. So I'm a big fan of these. And I'm really happy to have them in my collection because I missed out on the retail drop. So yes, big shout out to Tosh Crepes because I've wanted this one in my collection for a while, and these will be going straight on feet. And they do come with a set of what looks like salmon pink laces, which I think will look absolutely amazing with this pair. Do wish it had a white tongue, but can't complain. I really do like this color. So we'll put this up on the side, replacing the seafoams. And we'll move on to the next pair. I'm really happy with this box already. 2 shoes that I would actually wear. And now we'll move on to what looks like a Dunk box. So we'll open this up. Another great pair. Is this the Fossil? I think it's the Fossil. This pair is really nice. Actually, I didn't check if the Jordan 1s were my size. Please be my size. UK 10. One size too big, but I can swap them for my size. Oh well, can't wear these because it's just a slightly too big, but really nice color anyway. And now we move on to the Fossil. So here's the Fossil. It is a size UK 10 again. Clean colorway for summer. Really nice neutral tones. And really good materials. It feels very, very nice indeed, but very clean. Can't go wrong with a Dunk. I'll put them up on the side here and we'll move on to the next one. Dunks are really in for the summer and this colorway is really clean. So now we're on to the 4th box. Do you want a New Balance or a Dunk? I don't know why I'm asking you because I'm actually the one picking, but we're going to go with the New Balance. I have absolutely no idea what this one's going to be. Oh yes, the one I wanted. So this is the New Balance Phantom Pack, but in the green colorway, and I've actually been really looking forward to this colorway. I saw it recently at a pop-up store and I really wanted it, but they didn't have my size. So another one I'd wear. Really happy with this. UK 10 can make it work. Highly happy with this colorway. The materials on this, I've got the grey and the black one just sitting up there. Wear them all the time. So they recently released a pack of 3 of these, and I believe this is the best color. Well, in my opinion, it's the best color. And this is another daily wear for me. I really like this color and goes with most of the stuff that I wear. So happy with this again. All the pairs that have come out so far, really happy with. Can't complain at all. This is one of the best mystery boxes I've ever done. I'll put these down here. Don't even know if they're going to show up on the camera. I'll show the whole collection at the end of what I picked up. Let's go for another dunk. So open it up. Maroon dunks. I recently picked these up actually in a size 7, but this looks like a bigger size to me. This is a size UK 9, so I can actually wear these. This colorway is clean and very good for summer again. To be honest, all dunks are good for summer. So dunks are really in right now. Maroon colorway. Here in Scotland, if you support either Hearts or Hibs, you'd understand. This is for Hearts. But nice clean colorway. And I'll put this just down to the side. I'm running out of space, don't really know where to put them. And we'll move on to the next one. I don't really know the value of this box. I really should look it up, but hopefully it comes to the same as a shattered backboard and an onyx slide. Let me know down below in the comments if you've calculated it. Does it equal the same amount? Hopefully I didn't take too big of a loss. On to the next dunk. So, oh nice, I didn't even have a question about this. It's the Paisley Dunk, but in this almost like mustard-like colour. I'm not actually sure what these are called, but I will look it up. So this is part of the Paisley pack, and it's called the Barley colorway, which I can kind of understand. This is a clean colorway. I actually don't mind this, to be fair. It goes with most of the things I wear as well. I don't like too bright a color, so this one actually does kind of suit me, but it does look a little bit small for me. So this is a size UK 7, so unfortunately I can't fit this, but it's a cool one to have to collection because it's something I've never actually had before. Never had it in hand and actually never seen it in person, so really nice. I do like how they've done a Paisley swoosh compared to the rest. I do have the full Paisley brown dunk SB over there somewhere, but this is just a dunk, not an SB, and I like the contrast of the Paisley swoosh on the side. And the colour, it's like a mustardy, dirty mustard colour. I actually really like this. I prefer this one to the maroon one actually, so I kind of wish that this one was in my size, but oh well. And I think we're on to the last sneaker. It's a Jordan 1, so hopefully it's a good one. I'm running out of complete space to put this, so I'll just leave these down here. And we're on to, yes, the last one, a Jordan 1. Will it be a good one? I really hope so. I don't know the total value of the box. I'm hoping it's the same, but we'll open these up. Please be good. Please be good. Ooh! So I have had these before, but once again, he's really sticking to these neutral colors. So look how similar these are. This is the Goretex Jordan 1, and look how close they are. But what's cool about these is the material is actually waterproof. However, they do fit a little bit tight. So I had a UK 9 in these before, which I purchased from Selfridges, and they do fit a little bit tighter than a normal Jordan 1. But they have this softer cushion toe box, which I actually like. And one of my favorite things about these, the sole. Look at the pattern on the bottom. I really do like that actually. And this is a very clean colorway as well. As you can get from this video, I'm a big fan of greys and neutral colors. And this is just another one that I can add to the collection that I actually really do like. It does help that they're waterproof as well, so it means I can wear Jordan 1s in winter in the UK. So, happy with that. To be fair, I'm happy with this box. I really am. Everything I got in the box, I would wear, well, if it was my size. But other than that, I'm really annoyed these aren't my size because I really did want these. I'm going to have to do a swap, so comment down below if you want to do a swap on these because I want these in my size because I like this colorway. Oh, I didn't even notice it has crackled leather towards the bottom. These are just so nice. So nice. This is one of my favorite Jordan 1s to release. I really like this colorway. Also, the Jordan 1 lows that we got at the start. I'm happy with these as well. I'll wear these daily. So let me know down below what you thought of this mystery box. Which of the shoes would you be keeping? Would you be selling any? Was it a good deal? Did I get a good deal for the Shattered Backboard 1.0 and Onyx slides? I think I did, because I got a good variety and more videos I can do on all of the shoes. So I'm happy with that. Favorite 2 of the whole box? I've already said Jordan 1s here. But I also am a big fan of the New Balance Phantom pack in the green colorway. Really, really like these. So these two are up there for me, and then the rest are really nice as well. So I'll let you know which of these I'll be keeping, which I'll be selling. I'll probably be swapping both of these for my size, and they'll be going straight on feet. So let's have a recap of all the shoes that I caught. So down on the table are all the sneakers that I picked up in this mystery box. And looking at them all here, yes, I am happy that I did my swap for them. I like pretty much all of the pairs. I'm actually really happy, and the color scheme is pretty much me. I'd say the maroon ones are a little bit out there. I wouldn't preferably wear these compared to the rest. Wish these were my size, because actually these are growing on me the more I look at them. But yeah, really happy. Fossil Dunks, can't complain. Material in this is so good. Let me know if you want to see more mystery box. I wonder if I can do another one with J-Tosh crepes. Hopefully he does, because I really enjoyed this mystery box. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see more of this. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.